Hey guys, what's up? How you guys doing? Today we are going to be switching up things a little bit. So today I'm going to shopping. I want you guys to come along with me. I'm going to OVS store. I'm going to show you guys how the store looks like. I believe a lot of you don't really know OVS. They also have online shop, but I don't know if they ship worldwide. That I have to do a research. I'm going to leave the link down below. I have a very good friend that works there, so yeah, that is what they are doing today. So I'm wearing just this is my beautiful cap, so I'm not bothering wearing a wig. Mostly guys, when I'm going to shopping, trust me, I don't wear a wig. When I really go to shopping, I'm going to be trying things. I don't wear a wig. I just want to look simple as possible because I don't like when I'm trying clothing and it's just the hair is touching my lip gloss, touching everywhere, so I don't like it. And I'm wearing this white t-shirt from Zara. I'm going to show you the full look how I'm dressing. Okay, so I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. If you want to see something like this, me going to the store, you coming with me, do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, let's do this. So guys, this is me. I'm wearing this white t-shirt, and this pants is also from Zara. And I also got this top from Zara as well, but this is not what I'm going to be wearing. This is my house slippers. I'm just going to switch off to something else. But inside my bag, this is my bag right here. I have this Bershka slippers right here. I always like to carry something like this with me when I'm going to shopping, so I can easily wear this because I don't like putting my legs on the floor. So yeah, and I always carry it in my bag and it's not heavy at all. So I'm going to be showing you the shoe I'm going to be wearing. So this is the shoe I'm going to be wearing. As you can see, I'm going to be working with it. It's going to be very comfortable to walk with. So yeah, this is what I wear mostly, something like this when I'm going to shopping. So I'm ready to go. I'm going to be taking you guys along. When I get there, I'm going to be showing you how the store looks like I said. So let's start moving because I have a lot of things to do today. Hey guys, what's up? I'm here. Okay, I'm here. I just get my voice. Wow, I just get down from the bus. So, and in case you guys are not hearing me, my microphone, I don't have microphone extra on this camera, so you just have to bear with me. Okay, so we are about to start to shop.
Gravity's in motion, holding tight, just take me for a ride. Shouldn't be this open. Come on now, just swallow your pride. Let love it swell, so wrapped up in your touch. Be sure, don't show no man. Feeling so warm, I know it's cold outside, but here we're hot enough. Giving it to this crush of mine. Feeling like you're my perfect type. Giving it to this crush of mine. Feeling like you're my perfect type. Feeling like you're my perfect type.
I like this vibe. Okay, I like this vibe. It kind of look like Chanel vibe. Okay, and it's a matching, this is a two-piece set. This is the shirt and this is the top. I like this blush pink or this washed out blue. It's very beautiful, but I don't know, and I also like this one right here, but I'm going to be trying it. Okay, I'm going to be trying them. So guys, yeah. so. Rolling through the river. Let me go to the other side. This is so cute, guys. It's cute, 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 cute. Check this out, guys. This is so cute, but it's black. At the moment, I'm not so into black like that. So this is for old women. It's not for me. And this one right here. This one right here is beautiful. I like the top. It's cute. I'm going to be trying this as well. So yeah, I'm going to be trying it definitely. So guys, look at all what I packed. So I'm going to be trying it. Okay, shall we do this? Shall we do this? Shall we do this? Let's do this, guys. Look at my hand, it's so full. Oh my days. So guys, this is the first top I'm trying. It has a very long strap, so you can easily make a cross, you know. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like on me. I'm pairing it with my Zara trouser, and the top, the material, it's 100% cotton, and it's very, very warm. I feel warm right now wearing it. It's not light at all. It looks light, but on my skin it feels very warm. This is the back. This is how it looks like at the back. So yeah, this is the back right here. And of lately, normally black is one of my favorite color. Of lately, I'm not liking black. I don't know why. So yeah, I don't know, I just like the details, you know. It kind of giving me that summerish, you know, Cuba vibe, you know. I'm loving it, but I don't think I'm going, let's see, maybe I'm going to take the black, but definitely I'm going to be taking the white one. But for the black, I still have to do some thinking. So guys, this is the white one. I'm in love, absolutely in love with this white one right here. Kind of bring out my color, my skin complexion. The other one was a bit too, I don't know, too boring for this season we are right now. So I'm going to be taking this one. For the black one, like I said, I'm still going to be doing everything. I like the fact that the hand is so flat and it's so wide, so you can easily move your hand. And the size small, I didn't mention. So yeah, it's very, very cute top. I hope you guys can see it properly. Yes, this is how it looks like. So let me go to the big mirror so you guys can see it properly. So here we are. Voila, this is how it looks like, guys. It's so cute. Cute, we are cute, yes. Cute, cute, cute. So guys, voila, here is a third outfit. What do you guys think? What do you think? I'm loving this top, I'm loving this shirt. Okay, and the size of this one is size small, and this one is size 42, which is size 48. So yeah, I'm loving the cut right here. It's super cute. I'm loving the fact that this top has a very tiny stripe white details going on. I'm loving it. Wow, it's so cute. And the size, you know, my waist is very tiny, so I think I had to get a size 36. This one is size 38, which is size 44 in UK. So yeah, it's very beautiful. I love it. I love the color that is a bit faded, is a bit dark. So yeah, it's so cute. And on the side it has these details, camouflage details going on. So yeah, it's cute. You guys should let me know what you think. Okay, so with this outfit right here, this is how exactly I'm going to pair it. So I'm going to style it. I'm going to be wearing a very beautiful sneakers, maybe plain white or cream color. So but it kind of matches my slippers right here, isn't it? This is so cute, guys. So cutie. The only thing I don't like about, let me come closer, the only thing I don't like about this top right here, the color, it's so lechic. Okay, we call it lechic, and it's very, you know, it's it's not looking put together, but other than that, I'm loving the top. Okay, I'm loving the top. Sorry, size extra small, because this top is super stretchy, as you can see. So yeah, so guys, this top right here, I don't like it at all. I don't like it. When I first saw it, I was in love, but putting on, trying it on, I don't like it. I'm happy I tried before I bring it home, I buy it. Okay, the reason being why I don't like it, because it's not giving me that extra vintage vibe. It's just looking so sleepy on me. It's not looking cute. They have this kind of rouge right here, but I don't like it. Trust me, I don't just like it at all. And the material is super stretchy, so yeah, I don't like it. I'm going to be taking this off right now. You know, we're at home, so yeah, I'm liking it. I love the fact that it has a black stripe, and yeah, I love it. Okay, I'm liking it, and it's super stretchy as well, size small. Okay, so yeah, what do you guys think? What do you think? This is something that you can easily put on, you know, at home or to run an errand. So yeah, so I also got it in this gray color. I think I'm loving this better. Reason being because between my legs, it's not showing, you know, it's not showing that private area too much, because the other one was too pronounced. So I think I'm going to be taking this one, because this one is a bit decent. The other one was just a bit too bold for my liking, you know. So yeah, and I wasn't feeling that comfortable when it comes to between my legs. It was just, you know, showing everything to the world, so we don't need that. Okay, I'm loving this, and it has this beautiful kind of vintage pocket right here, super bold, beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to be taking this one right here. I prefer this one. So guys, what do you think? I'm loving this dress right here. Reason being, it feels super soft on my skin, and it's a satin material. Okay, and it has this kind of slit. So yeah, and it has a tie inside. Sorry about that. So it has a tie inside, and at the front it also has a tie, and it has a adjust strap, so you can easily adjust it so that you can feel comfortable at your underarm area. So yeah, I'm loving it, and I'm loving the fact that it's not so long. So it's a midi dress, super cute, and the color, of course, orange and black. So cute, so cute. Of course, it's doing the jiggly at the bottom area, so at the butt area. Cute. Excuse, what do you guys think? Hey honey, how you doing, honey? How you doing, honey? Anyways, so yeah, it's cute. I'm loving it, but I don't know if I'm going to be taking it. Maybe, who knows? It's going to be looking cute when I'm going for my holiday, guys. So guys, last but not the least, this is the last outfit. This is the last dress. This one is red. On camera it looks orange, but it's red. It's a very kind of soft orange. Red is not that too sharp, it's not too bold. So yeah, I'm loving this dress. Reason being because it's long. Okay, but the only thing I don't like about this dress right here, at the side area, it has a strap. Let me turn like so you can see it has a strap, which is rouge, so you can easily draw it like so. Then it becomes a midi dress. So what are you doing with the rest? This one right here, you're going to tie it, or let me draw the other side, so you can easily make it as a mini dress or as a midi dress. But it's a long dress. Okay, it's a long dress. I love it. I love it a lot. It looks super snatch on me. Okay, and it's not too tight at the butt area, at the boobies area, so I like it. And the size small as well, so it's doing the job. Okay. So yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like it midi? This is midi, so you can do it mini like this. So you can do it like so, or you can leave it downward. So you guys should let me know what you think about this dress right here. You guys should let me know what you think. okay, because of my tiny waist. Okay, so yeah, this is the last outfit, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this trial haul. Do let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think, if you want to see something like this often. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Take a ciao.